Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set rating limits for your outgoing challenges in the chess.com app on your Android phone. This feature helps you restrict who can accept your open challenges, allowing you to play with opponents within your preferred skill range. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Play to access gameplay-related options. Now, scroll down and choose Rating Limits Outgoing. Then, tap on Minimum and select the lowest rating of the players you want to challenge. Next, tap on Maximum and choose the highest rating allowed for your challenges. Once you've set both limits, your future open challenges will only be visible to players within that rating range. These settings help ensure you're matched with players closer to your skill level, and that's how you set rating limits for outgoing challenges on the chess.com app. It's a simple way to improve your experience and enjoy more balanced competitive games. Thanks for watching.